so I already dropped off the package and now I'm at the mall. I'm going to get my nails done, just the natural one. I don't want to do that like acrylic since I don't. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to get my nails done, and after that I'm going to probably get something to eat before I go ahead to my friend's house, which is Crystal, later on. It's already 1:12 at the afternoon. It's kind of like cold slash sunny. It's 41 degrees and it's pretty much kind of like cold. So yeah, I will go there and I'm gonna let you guys come with me. So let's go.
When I have your,
It's okay, they have free fruits. They're the cutest. And free water.
yes, yeah,
It's the finish.
yeah.
There you go.
Oh, easy. It's so easy.
Yeah, that's what I see.
I think you really like.
Hey guys, so I'm here at Charles Roos. I'm looking for a winter clothes, and they have a lot of winter clothes. And I just got my nails done. It's just plain black, really, and they actually have a lot of sweater and some jackets right here. Let me show you to you guys. So they have sweaters. That's for $20, and they have a lot of coats. And this is nice. I think this is the same as mine. Yeah, literally the same as mine. Hold on. Yeah, literally that's the same as mine. I have that denim that look cute. That denim looks so cute. And some fall colors. Oh, this is my outfit for today. Bag and this little jacket. Leggings. Shoes are from Vans and long sleeve plain black. Hey! So we're here at Bonchon and we're looking at the menu. I'm gonna get the shrimp shomai and pork buns right there. Oh, so this is honey mustard, like the yellow one. So this is deep fried shrimp shomai. Here's the rest of our food. Look at she.
That too. I don't remember
That's it. I don't know. There you go. Is that beef? Ooh, look at that mushroom.
Yeah.
And pork bun. Where's my rice? Oh, right
Then they
here.
got spinach. Yeah.
Thank you.
What is this called again?
Japchae.
You guys enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Japchae.
We have some here.
Then they got spinach in it. I need the spinach because my iron is like below. Like that's
Is it good?
It's really hot. Hot, but it's good. It's like teriyaki. That's what that like tastes like.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mashed potato, like other.
That's like I eat it, but I'm not like a potato
I'm not
person.
yeah.
I prefer rice over anything.
I know. They're just, I don't know. There's something between rice. It's like, if I eat something, it has to be half rice. Because I'm just, if I'm eating like this, it's just like my food is not complete.
Yeah,
I'm still craving for rice. Hey guys, so I'm here at Best Buy. I'm gonna buy the earphones and this lighting to headphone jack for my iPhone. That one costs $29, and yes, it's $29. I don't know if I'm gonna buy extra cord, or not cord, but yeah, cable charger for extra. I don't know yet.
Day 2.
Okay guys, so I literally just got done filming. I really living for this look. I really like it. It turns out really good. And yeah, so this is just like my outfit. I know you're gonna come at me, why are you wearing the same thing? No, I'm not. This is, I just literally can't get over it with this pleated coat, so I wear them again, but like the top is different, and I'm wearing jeans and some boots, but I will probably let my husband film like my whole outfit. But yes, let's go because he's downstairs waiting for me, and I'll see you and talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so we are here in the car already. We just stopped by at this property that my husband is gonna looking. So yeah, and then after that we are going straight ahead to, I don't know if we're going to the Cheesecake Factory or just I don't know, like I'm craving for some steak. What you guys think? Yeah, so he's just looking at some, we're just looking at some houses, and then I'll just talk to you guys later. Hey guys, we're here at the Cheesecake Factory. So we're just gonna wait for the waiter. So we're still looking for our food.
A few inches later.
Tartar sauce.
Only got one lemon.
Happy anniversary.
We have New York steak, mashed potato, and green beans. Same as my husband. We're done eating. Say hi to my vlog, baby.
Hello, vlog.
It's gotta be you. It's the only car that's parked like a DJ.
Hello, vlog. Baby, where is our car?
You're the one who parked it.
You parked it. Hold on. I see it now. It's over there. Where is? Oh. Hey guys, we're here at the Potomac Mills Mall. Got the biggest Christmas tree. It's crazy out here. We have a lot of people. What size is that one?
Medium.
Medium? Let me see. It's the does it feel good? Can you hold it for me? I don't like it. It's just way too big. It's like
Small.
SM, like yes, kind of like small, medium. It's way too big. Kind of like the one with the that has pockets on. Yeah, it looks so cute. It's a lot of scrubs. By the way, you guys, this is my outfit right there, and pants are from Forever 21, All to the Fash, and I think Home Goods, no, Marshalls. I got this at Marshalls. So I'm just gonna try 3 scrubs, which is this one, gray, blue, and then I think this kind of like a darkish gray. So we'll see. So guys, this is the gray one. Disregard like the thing, because this is my outfit. Anyway, so this is the gray one. How does this look? Nurse Glenn. Yeah, I kind of like it, and it has pockets. Pocket is a must-have for me, so this is really good, and I like the feeling of it. So yeah, I think I'll get this one. I don't know. I don't understand what this. We are looking for Forever 21. Need some beanies. Oh baby, this is the. Bye bye, baby.
Oh, baby. What
I
happened?
think it's over there.
This is the end? That
Yeah.
was all a circle. No, baby, this is the end.
Hey guys, so we just got home and I'm just gonna show you what I got at the Cheesecake Factory. So I got the red velvet. I got 2 originals and coffee, and I think this is the coffee and cream. Yeah, so I got coffee cream, 2 original and 1 ultra red velvet. That's how it looks like. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like with whipped cream, and the 2 originals with strawberries on top and whipped cream. Hey guys, so we literally just got home and I showed you the cheesecake that I ordered for like the takeout. So anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog here since we're just, both of us are just really tired. Like, we drove on a way from our house to the Cheesecake Factory, which is like in Woodbridge, Virginia. That was like an hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, an hour and 30 minutes on the way there, and then another an hour 30 minutes on the way back here. So that's kind of like a long drive for the both of us, but it's okay because we kind of like, it's like a late celebration of our anniversary. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video or vlog, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.